today, but don't fall for it because we can still close red today. Absolutely do not fall for it. Be very careful. Have cash ready and just start establishing positions for the stuff you guys really want to, according to what we're going to see today, be prepared to buy. There's a lot of stuff going on, but as usual, let's see if what are the losers and gainers here. Um, um, Here's LVS. See it? I'm only out $138. LVS is absolutely at its lowest, I think, for the past 5 years. Let's take a look at the buying purchase here, the buying pattern. I started at 43 and it's 37. So if I bought everything at 43, I would have been out over $500. I didn't do that. But look, the thing is that you are going to go into red. It's going to get ugly. So you'll have to make an execution at some point. You can't say, well, I'll just wait for it to go down lower and lower because it may just stop dropping and then reverses back. And then at that reverse, maybe too late to buy because it may shoot up too fast and again may have another reverse. We don't know. And that shoot up, we want to catch that shoot up if you buy it at some point, let's say during the drop. So there may be more losses ahead. Nobody knows. But we know that we need to have cash available and ready to execute and purchase. So even in a up market or down market, I can see probably we have some gains we can collect. Here we go, AbbVie. I can cash this out. 10 shares I can take out if I need the cash. Raytheon here, I can take out 10 shares at about $14, $15 gain. What else we have in here? ITW, industrial. I can wait. I'm sure I can take out money, take out some shares soon if I need to. This is in case you need to have cash available ready. So you have gains here. UPS. I've got about 10, 15 shares I can take out if I need to buy something else. So always have cash available if you need to. FANG here. I can take out 10 shares at about $50 gain. So again, you will always have losses, unrealized losses, but don't surpass that unrealized losses. Try not to go, just go crazy on that. Needs to be contained. It's like a fire. If it's not contained, it'll burn you. PSX, a little bit of a comeback, but I'll wait. So see, all my shares are pretty much very low. You seldomly see I maybe have a handful of companies, maybe 4 or 5 that I'm slowly going heavy on because I do anticipate some sort of a comeback on those companies. Here's a good company right here that your money's safe with this guy. Okay, I've got large positions, fairly large positions, 50, but it's not going anywhere. This is a solid company. May drop another couple of points, 2, 3 points, big deal. You're going to be at 100, 200 bucks, but when it shoots up, it'll go up. It'll surprise you. Okay, so with that in mind, let's take a look at what we got, what we have. To see if we can pick up, but not immediately. Just give it some time. Start building some positions, put on some limits. If you have some shorts you want to get rid of right now, get rid of. Okay. Here we go. Amazon is a good one. Okay, but it's not down enough. EA. It's at a good spot right now. Yeah, so well, let's just go ahead. I'm gonna place this order with you guys. EA, I'd like to get 10 shares. 135.84, 136.59. I think 135 would be a good number. You can do that with me. Win. It looks like the bleeding has somewhat stopped. It has not yet. It may even go down below 80. So be prepared for that. I'll wait a little longer to see if it comes down more. If it does, I'll pick up another 5 shares. I'll go slow on these. I won't go heavy anymore. I used to go 10, but I'm going to go down 5 now. Okay, so we have, I could try to see if I can cash one of these out if I need to cash. Pan W, nope, I still got 39 losses on one of them. I'll wait. What else we have? Okay, Starbucks, I was long on it, short on that. You see it? Some bad news is out on it. Is it a good time to pick up? You can put that on your radar to pick up either today or tomorrow, but not right now. And remember, every time there's a drop, either way, or a spike on any stock, that will continue for quite some time. It doesn't just stop immediately. So you can start building position in Starbucks today, tomorrow, Friday, Monday, slowly. Okay. Here's another one that I like. Okay. I got 20 shares only. Okay. Picked up 231 and 222. Guess what this is? Manifest. Very, very popular, especially after the pandemic. Diet food. It had a great run to 336. May go lower. So I'd like to pick up another 5 shares of this guy. Expensive, but when it goes up violently. Absolutely violently. So look, 212.78, 212.80. What do we say? We stay away from it. So I'm still going to go at 211. Let me risk it. If I catch it at 211, I'll pick it up. Another Chinese name, Billy. Like to build some positions on it. Suffered long. Here we go. We can pick up 10 shares at 74.50. Based on this drop, I think we'll probably get it 74.50. What else we have in here? Okay, my favorite, Bubba, right here. Let's see what we can catch it at. It's 157. I'd like to catch Bubba at, it's 155.59 is the lowest. I'd like to catch it at 155 if I can. Remember, I sold a bunch of it at about that at about 170s, I believe. I bought it in these price range. It's okay. Okay, so what else we have in here? PDD is another one right here. This is the one. These are the ones I had. I dumped most of them on a spike up. I'd like to pick up 10 shares at 97. I think I can probably catch it at 97. Very possible. Anything goes today, guys, so don't be surprised. It's going to be a turnaround. There's going to be some crazy move that's going to happen. Okay. I think probably it's time to reverse on DocuSign, which I have a gain, and Star Surgical. So I'll do that later. Go long on these. Qualcomm had a bad earning. Built up 20 positions on it. See? 210s right here, 45 and 41. It's 138.90. Let's see what I can catch it at. QCOM. I'd say 137.50 is a good number. 137.50. We may catch it. What else we have in here? JD is definitely #1 recommended by almost all analysts. JD is a good company, good Chinese company. It's a reasonably fair price right now. I think at 75, I will pick it up. Okay, I see you right here. I'm going to convert this. I'll convert to 5.9. See them? Pick up my gains. TSM, I like to pick it up, but it's still expensive here. What else we have in here? As I said, expect the market to turn around and surprise you and go down. So it does give you a hope right now that it's bouncing back, but it just don't fall for it. It may again reverse. KW, KWeb. These are the companies you're going to have to unfortunately sit for a while before just give you a good return on it. I'm not talking months and months. I'm talking probably a few weeks, possibly even sooner. So we don't know. So 47.72, 47.75. What does that mean again? Yes, it is dropping, but at 47 bucks, we may be able to catch it. I had an $800 gain on this I did not take out. See this? This is precisely what I'm saying you guys need to do. If you have a gain on it, take it out. Do not get greedy. LVS, we did it. Logi is another one I'm building positions. Let's see what we have in Logi. 97.41. I think at 97 we may have a good shot to pick it up. 97. Don't be fearful. Be bold. Yes, you're going to take a swing. You're going to go down with it for sure. No question asked. But if you have enough cushion, enough cash to hold on to, you should be able to come back up. Okay. Here's another one that's been suffering tremendously. Zoom. It's just been going down and down and down. You know what? It looks like the bleeding has stopped. It's only down almost $1. Let me see if it's down possibly a little bit more here. Zoom. Yes, it's almost $1. So I think maybe 5 shares would be reasonable at 277.50. It may hit it. Lowest is 277. What else we got in here? I'd like to convert this into short. See this right here? Right here. Take out my small gain and convert it into a short. Okay, 5 below. It's been in this range for 3 or 4 days. It has had a big drop. I think it's time to pick it up. I think it did hit maybe Friday, Monday, 187, 188, I believe. So I think maybe it's time to pick up some shares on this guy. I'd like to pick up 10 shares at 183 if I can. If not, that's okay. Well, it looks like it may hit it. See it? Dollar Tree is another one. You see it? You control your losses here. You're down only 285, but you've managed to pick up some decent size, decent number of shares. 67 shares. I started at 93 and it's 87. Almost $6 change. Six times almost $500 losses. I cut it to half, which is fair. I think I can pick up maybe another 5 shares. Dollar Tree. These are all going to rebound. They will rebound on one good news. I'd like to pick up 5 shares. As I said, expect the market to go down again today. Don't get excited. Don't overbuy. Leave some for cash for tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. I think at 87 we may have a good shot at it. The sister company is Dollar General. I built up some shares on that. See it? 44. At about this number, it has dropped. So I think maybe I can pick up 5 more shares at 215. I don't think it's going to hit it. I think probably the bleeding for this one has stopped. What else we have in here? 10 is the ETF for solar. ZBH right here, see it? I have 30 shares yesterday. I dumped 20 of them at a gain. I left 12 here. If it goes back down again, I'll pick up. BBY, good company, not going anywhere. See it? It's worth picking up. Now for you guys, based on the size of the portfolio, you pick up 2 at a time. I'm picking up 5 at a time. 108.66. So I think at 108.70, it'll give me a good shot at it. What else we have in here that's worth looking at? Workday, no. VIX is down. Well, not going to pick up right now. I want it to go down lower. I wanted to be 24 to pick up. Uber, okay, it's getting close and close and close to really lowest of the lowest. Again, my losses are contained unless there's going to be another pandemic or crash. It will not go down to $30. I'll go down to 37, 36. So I think at 38 would be a good number. I'm investing $380. When this bounces, it'll bounce crazy. Let's check on its sister company, competition, Lyft. Okay, Medifast got picked up at 211. You see it? That's good. Okay, Lyft is down. I can pick up 10 shares only at 50 if I can catch it. Okay, what else we got in here? Now, I need to finance all my purchases. What does that mean? That means I need to sell my gains. I need to get rid of some stuff to bring some cash in. I could dump AMD at $73 losses. I'd release $980. Z's another good one. It looks like the bleeding has somewhat stopped. So let's see where we have it at, where we catch it. You are building. You're building a position here on everything. 90.28, 90.50. I think maybe 90 we have a good shot at this. 5 shares. And if it goes lower, I go down to 2 shares. VMW, I remember this one was 170. Not far. Not too far in distance future. Okay, I can finance some of this at about $1,600. I can drop the Madison Square Garden right here. Free up some cash. So definitely there's money I can find. I could dump the SAP, release almost $1,500 in cash. There's a little loss on it. I can dump this guy. I got a little gain on it. I'd like to build a position in Shack. It's suffered long enough. I mean, it's almost cut down by half. Let's see where it's at. I'd like to pick up 5 shares only at $81. There's similar order, but it's okay. What else we have? Got a conversion here. I can do that. On my conversion, I can probably collect at least $200 to $300 easily. Chewy, I started building positions. There's a value in Chewy. What else we have in here? SGen right here. Can take out 10 shares. APD, dump 10 shares if I need cash. And of course, the biggest one can take out $14,000 if I just take a small hit on it. But otherwise, that's what we are. If there's going to be an additional buying, I'll let you guys know. For now,